want to invite you to do a simple exercise called service mapping that is going to help you figure out how to use things that are joyful to you, things that make you feel alive, to solve issues that are keeping you at night. Very easy to do. All you need is a piece of paper, a pencil, and a dice. All right, part one of service mapping. On your piece of paper, you're going to grab your pencil and you're going to make a column right in the middle. After that, you're going to write numbers from 1 all the way to 12, right? Once you have that made, you're going to take a breath. You're going to center yourself and you're going to write down things that bring you joy, things that make you feel alive. So I like walking, being in nature, and so forth, all the way to have 12 words. Once you have those 12 words, you're going to combine them into a new word. And the way it works is that the first thing that comes to your mind, you're going to write it down. So for example, walking and being in nature, I think about hiking. So I'm going to go ahead and here, I'm going to write hiking. And so forth. You're going to pair them up. So from those 12 words, you should have 6. Part 2, what are those things that worry us? Same way, we're going to make a column once again on a new page. And those 12 numbers, you kind of know where this is going, right? And we're going to write them down. First thing, what are the things that are worrying us? Clean water is one for me. And this, of course, is going to be whatever you're worrying about. And because this is going to be on your own private page, you don't have to share it with no one. It can be anything that you're really stressing out about. I think about the quality of food. And once you have those 12 words again, you're going to go ahead and combine them. So this might be, like I said, a little bit harder. Clean water and quality of food makes me think about food systems. And then from those 12 words, you should have 6. And then we go to a fun stage. For the final part, you should have 6 words of joy, things that bring you happiness, that make you feel alive, and 6 words that stress you out. You're going to grab the dice. At this moment, you're going to take another breath, you're going to center yourself, and you're going to roll the dice twice. So let's say that you come up with, let's say, 2, your first roll, and then you roll again, you get a 6, right? Now comes a bit of a creativity. You're going to think of your word on 2 as the solution to your problem on 6, right? So I left this blank because I want you to